What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you a common deadly mistake many gardeners make when growing squash plants. Squash plants are one of the most insect vulnerable plants in our entire garden, and if you don't know what to look for, these insect pests will quickly kill your plants. At first glance, these zucchini plants look absolutely perfect. There is no sign of insect pest pressure, and there is no sign of stress from the plants themselves. And that is by design from the insects. Insects do not colonize on the tops of the leaves, which would leave them vulnerable. You have to constantly check the undersides of the leaves of your squash plants. When we turn over the leaf on this zucchini plant, we find an entire colony of what appears to be baby squash bugs and their eggs. And this is what insects do. They lay their eggs safely on the undersides of your squash leaves, so you have no idea that there is actually a massive infestation going on your plants. So we're going to spray these baby squash bugs with a light mix of a little bit of natural pyrethrin in water emulsified with just a drop of dish soap. And we're going to spray that along the ribs, and this is going to be a quick contact killer that is going to make short work of all of these nasty squash bugs. You can see these squash bugs are literally everywhere on the undersides of these leaves. If you were to just look at the top, you'd have no idea that they were there. So now that we have inspected our plants, we can spray them and knock out those nasty bugs. And you can see these insects are in great distress. In a few minutes, they will be no more. Now, while the insects are dying, you will also see that there is a bunch of squash bug eggs underneath the leaf there, nice and protected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of electrical tape that I folded over, and I'm going to use the sticky side to gently remove all of those eggs. Of course, this would have worked a whole lot better if I would have done this before I sprayed them, because now it's making the eggs hard to get off. And you can see there are even more of these hard creatures underneath all of these leaves. This time we're going to go ahead and we are going to remove the eggs with the tape before we spray them all down with the dish soap and oil spray, because it makes it a whole lot easier to take all of those squash bug eggs off. And now that the eggs are gone, we are going to treat the pest problems. And if you don't want to spray your plants like this, you could always just take a manual hand vacuum and you can remove the squash bugs. That is also acceptable if you don't want to use any of these natural pesticides. If you're okay with using the pyrethrin, I'll place a link to it down in the video description for your convenience. So always check the undersides of the leaves of your cucurbit plants, because that is where insect pests congregate, lay their eggs, and multiply. And this holds true for all cucurbits, whether they are squash, zucchini, melons, cucumbers, pumpkins, and the like. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.